Hey family, welcome back to the Real Banking YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to pay credit card bill in CIBC Bank. First of all, go to the Play Store or App Store, download the CIBC mobile banking app and the interface will be look like this. I hide my all informations due to privacy issue. As we can see here is the option of the three dots, so we just need to select this. So this pop-up window will be open. Here is the option of the transfer fund, pay bills, e-deposit, global money transfer, manage my debit card and the cancel. So we have to select pay a bill. So bill payment window has been opened successfully. So here is the options pay a bill and manage payee. First of all, you just need to add your credit card to manage payee. So we have to click on the manage payee. So search for your credit card name and select Visa CIBC credit card. If you have the MasterCard, then you can select your MasterCard. After that, you just need to select it. You just need to add some details just like nickname for your credit card. Pay name already has been mentioned at here. So in the account number column, you need to enter your credit card number. After that, you just need to click on the OK icon. They will ask you to verify your identity by verification code. Enter it and click on next. So after adding credit card details to pay, you need to come here again. Now select pay a bill. Enter your credit card amount. How much do you want to pay? I will recommend you to pay full statement balance. Select here the pay and you need to select your credit, and from which account you want to pay your credit card bill, you need to select from here. You can select date from here and they will ask you to select your frequency. I will recommend you to select once. So I hide my all informations due to privacy issue, and after adding all the details, I am going to click on the next icon. So in the last, they will ask you to verify all the details. So after reviewing it correctly, you just need to click on the yes icon. Your credit card bill payment has been done successfully. It can take up to 48 working hours to reflect money in your credit card. I will recommend you, after confirming your credit card payment, you can take screenshot. Still, if you are facing any problem, then you can tell me in the comment section. I will surely try to help you. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching Real Banking YouTube channel. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.